The Lively Flip phone is designed specifically for seniors, offering simple navigation and large buttons. However, like any technology, users may encounter some common issues that can be easily resolved with the right approach. The most common charging issues fall into three categories. First, battery calibration problems, where the phone displays incorrect charge levels. Second, port contamination from dust and debris, which accounts for about 40% of charging complaints. Third, cable degradation, as standard micro USB cables typically wear out after 12 to 18 months of regular use. Network connectivity issues can manifest in several ways. The Lively Flip operates on 4G LTE networks with automatic fallback to 3G where available. Common problems include signal reception difficulties, carrier compatibility issues, and SIM card recognition failures that prevent proper network authentication. Voicemail setup and management present unique challenges for Lively Flip users. Visual voicemail integration requires specific APN settings to work properly with carrier systems. Users often experience notification delays of 2 to 5 minutes due to network prioritization. Additionally, many struggle with voicemail password setup and retrieval, making access code management a frequent support issue. Understanding these three core problem areas, charging, network connectivity, and voicemail, helps resolve the majority of Lively Flip phone difficulties. Recent model improvements have increased first call resolution rates to 78%, making troubleshooting more effective than ever. Now we'll walk through specific troubleshooting steps for your Lively Flip phone. These expert-recommended solutions address the most common issues users encounter. First, let's tackle charging problems. The most common issue is debris in the charging port, which blocks proper connection between your cable and phone. Start by examining your charging port for dust, lint, or debris. Use a clean, dry toothbrush or compressed air to gently clean the port. Never use metal objects that could damage the connections. If cleaning doesn't help, try a different micro USB cable. Standard cables typically degrade after 12 to 18 months of regular use, and a faulty cable is often the culprit. Next, let's address network connectivity issues. Poor signal or call drops often stem from SIM card problems or coverage limitations. First, verify your SIM card is properly inserted. Power off your phone, remove the SIM card, check for damage, and reinsert it firmly. The SIM card controls your connection to the cellular network. Your Lively Flip operates on 4G LTE networks with automatic fallback to 3G where available. Check that you're in an area with adequate coverage, especially in rural locations where signal may be weaker. For voicemail issues, Lively has implemented a guided setup wizard with voice prompts that walks you through the entire configuration process step by step. Access the voicemail setup through your phone's menu system. The guided wizard will prompt you to create a password, record your greeting, and configure notification settings. Follow each prompt carefully. Finally, here are expert tips for optimal performance. Keep your firmware updated as new updates fix bugs and improve functionality. If problems persist, Lively's customer service can remotely access your device diagnostics. Regular firmware updates are crucial for preventing technical glitches. Enable automatic updates in your settings, or check manually once per month. Updated firmware includes bug fixes, security patches, and performance improvements. Remember, Lively's support team achieves a 78% first call resolution rate, meaning most issues are solved in a single phone call. Don't hesitate to contact them if these steps don't resolve your problem. These troubleshooting steps address the most common Lively Flip phone issues. Following these expert-recommended solutions will help keep your device running smoothly and reliably.